Hey guys, we're on another install here. As you can see, it's an old two-story house, and it used to have a gravity-fed furnace in it. It used to sit right there. There's the return air. Check this out. This goes through the wall, down under the floor, and there's a hole underneath the furnace. And then there was another return here. It goes all the way over there. The electricians kind of tore some stuff up, tore some of the paneling down. I got to seal all that back up, and they busted that out. Pretty nice of them. But anyway, I had an old Bryant furnace. I'll roll some pictures in, and it was a mess. I'm trying to straighten this thing out the best I can, but we're trying to make chicken noodles out of chicken shit here, man, because this is trying to deal with all this old pipe and stuff, and the angles are so off. And it goes up here. Some of them go upstairs. A few of the registers go upstairs, and they had like 6-inch pipe running into these. I mean, it wasn't really good. Never had air conditioning. It's gonna have some air conditioning on it now. But I built this 6-inch filter box. The filter slide under there, and then I got a return air drop right there that I made. And it'll go on the side to pick up this other return air. The filter slides out the front. But yeah, so that's what we got going on here. Pretty wild. Look at this return air. Comes through and it goes down into the floor, through the wall, through the doorway. Yeah, what do you think of that? That's some big old ductwork there, buddy. That would be a struggle to put all that together through the wall. Pretty crazy. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Been doing this for the last couple days, trying to get all this done. But anyway, thought I'd show you guys what's going on here. So like I said, I'll throw some pictures in of what the old unit looked like, and then I'll show a little bit more later on when I get it done. Alright guys, I got it all done. The ductwork's up, everything's run, checked out. Looks pretty good compared to what it was. Quite a bit of work, but all in all, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad at all. Give you a little peek around here. All new ductwork. Well, exception of what was there. Increased a bunch of them. From 6s to 7s and from 6s to 8s for upstairs. This one here does 2 rooms upstairs. But yeah, turned out pretty good. Little curb to sit on. Pick up that return air in the bottom. Drop. Comes up and picks up this ductwork going this way. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.